So a renter just brought the RV back, and looks like they had a little bit of an incident, probably a tree branch. They said they didn't know what happened, which I don't believe it, but I'll show you exactly what happened. There was the cover for the refrigerator on the roof was torn off, and then you can see kind of where, I'll show you real quick here on the top passenger side. You can see right there one of the marker lights was ripped off, and then like all along here, so you can see all along that front side, clearly it looks like something brushed up against it. My guess is it probably just went like too close to a tree that had like old heavy branches, and it just scraped all the way across and then ripped off the cover, the light, and then also bent the antenna. But luckily those things are pretty cheap. I got another cover right here on Amazon for, I think it was like 28 bucks or something. And then one of these lights. Yeah, so I just buy a whole pack. These things break like constantly from people hitting stuff, and also they just wear out over time. So that's today's project. Gonna change these out, and I'll show you exactly what I do. So you can kind of see like where this bulb comes off here, and it broke. And then like under here, there's like leaves and things coming out. So definitely was some type of tree branch or something scraped along here. So now I just gotta swap this out. This is the ground, the white is the ground. And the way they have it, it only has one wire that comes with this, the power wire, and then the ground has to be attached through this hardware. So taking the ground wire, looping it through here, and then I'll just tighten it down with the screw. All right, so we got it fixed. Saved me $75. I just had an inspection done, and one of the other lights was out, and they charged me $75 to fix it. So for a $6 light, got that situated. So on to the next project, which is the vent over the fridge. So this is going to be a little bit of an issue because you can see it just completely broke off the screw in half. So I don't know how I'm going to get that out of there. And this one just completely, where it seats, just completely broke off. So all right, project 2 is finished, and this thing actually fit perfect on here, so that was good. So the only issue was this back one here, which I put some of this, adhesive lock tight, and hopefully when it dries it'll at least hold it some. I mean, it's got 3 bolts, 3 screws holding it down, so it should be okay. And it's tight right now, so should be good. And that will be that until the next issue.